Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to close your books in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're wrapping up the month, the quarter, or the year, closing your books correctly is essential to keeping your financial data accurate and secure. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock your accounts and prevent unwanted edits, step by step. Before we dive in, the first thing you need to do is prepare your books. Make sure you're signed in as the primary admin. Go through all your accounts carefully, enter any outstanding invoices, expenses, and payments. Reconcile all your bank and credit card accounts up to your closing date and double check your stock quantities for accuracy. This ensures that your financial statements reflect the true state of your business. Once your accounts are accurate and reconciled, it's time to enable the closing feature. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online, then select Account and Settings. Next, head to the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Accounting section and click the Edit icon. Here you'll find the option to close the books. Switch it on to start the process. Now, you'll need to set your closing date and preferences. Choose a date up to which your transactions will be locked. Then you have two options for handling changes to closed periods. Allow changes after viewing a warning. Users will see a warning but can still make edits. Allow changes after viewing a warning and entering a password. This adds an extra layer of security, preventing unauthorized changes. Once you've made your selections, click Save and then Done to lock the period. That's it. Your books are now officially closed, protecting your financial data and making reporting much easier. A few key things to remember. Only primary or company admins can close books. You can update the closing date at any time, whether you're closing monthly, quarterly, or annually. And for maximum security, using a password is always the best choice. And there you have it. Closing your books in QuickBooks Online doesn't have to be complicated. Follow these steps and you'll keep your finances accurate, secure, and ready for reporting. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.